Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon everyone. Please let me know if you can just hear me right. Hi Dor, hi Mayer. Good morning, good morning. Please just get me a feedback whether you can hear me. Good morning again, nice to see you. Okay. I'm just waiting for your feedback whether you can hear me right. I'm afraid they cannot hear me. No, Mayer, it's not going to be a screen share today because Amir is going to use his. As you know, I'm going to be away for a week from tomorrow, and we are going to need to do a test. So he is going to be the one who is going to show his screen. So today it's a little bit like unordinary. Hi, Alex. Good morning to you. But guys, could you just write me on the chat whether you can hear me right? That would be very important now. Or the sound is okay at all? Audio good. Thank you, Big Scoder. Thanks a lot. All right, traders. So, yes, sorry for that. Today it's no screen behind me yet because Amir is going to join in like 15 minutes, and he's going to do the screen share at the moment. Hi, Alamu. Good morning to you. So, good morning, everyone. Again in the VIP room as well. Clifton, Scott. I'm very happy to hear you or see you here. I hope you can just hear me as well in the 44 trading room. Yes, Blake, thank you. Unfortunately, it won't be any screen until Amir is not going to arrive because we are doing a test today, guys, just for you to work everything perfect for next week. Because actually from tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm not going to be here anymore, and next week highly likely till I try my best to be here on Friday. But as Amir is going to be here with you, we are just going to make a test whether he can, share his screen through this whole I don't know, gadgets and softwares and programs. Guys, I'm really not a big tech guru, as you know about me. So that's why in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, Amir is going to join and he's going to share his screen. But it doesn't actually change anything on the fact traders that we have. Yes, Clifton, tech gadgets are not my best friends. I like using them, but definitely not not really good to install them. So guys, so far actually it looks like that the market just breaking its incredible big push to the downside thanks or not thanks, definitely this is not a good news for the economy, for the people who are, like going day by day to the grocery shops and so on, because the wholesale prices rose 0.9% in July. That was a much more than expected. So that's why we see the whole market to pull back. Well, this is definitely a real test for the overall market because, as you know, so far the bulls have been completely resilient, and this is going to be the biggest test. Actually, if you just check the headlines and my article or the newsletter headline as well, I've just called it the second test in the article blog. Indeed, that the first test was the CPI, and this week this is the second test. And don't forget, this is going to again reduce the chance for the rate cut. So tricky times are here, and not even mentioning, because we have mentioned it so many times, that the market is overbought, overheated, overextended. We can just find lots of expression for that. So, well, might this can be a pullback day indeed. Hi, Brian. We'll miss you from. Oh, you're so sweet. I'm going to miss you guys as well. I don't even remember when I just missed 6 days in a row from the trading room. Well, I'm going to try. We are going to arrive Spain on Thursday if everything is going on the agenda. But with two kids, two dogs, might it's not going to be that easy. But if we can set up everything because we have already internet in our house there, so if my husband he's much better in the gadgets than me, thank God. So if he can just set up everything, then I think on Friday I can join, hopefully. So fingers crossed. Okay guys, so back to the market. Indeed, this is going to be, as I've told you, a huge test day for the market. Today was the last big announcement day. I mean, regarding the PPI, which can shape the mood of the Powell and the Fed for the rate cut. Also, it was an unemployment claim as well, unemployment claims, and this was actually a bit lower than expected, so that was a good one. But the core PPI and then the PPI, if you just check it, that zero point 0.2 was the expectation, and it just became 0.9. This is a very huge jump. I think it's the biggest in 3 years, and as you can see, DVG very nicely just posted here the whole news about this PPI. Trump speaking at 1 p.m. as well today, so let's just be careful. And tomorrow, though, it's not going to be that huge news like CPI, PPI, but still important news in my opinion, because tomorrow comes the retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and later on 10 o'clock, guys, consumer sentiment and the inflation expectations. And I think this consumer sentiment and the inflation expectations are going to be crucial again, because not that much as the PPI, CPI, but just to see the mood of the consumers first of all. Second, the expectations towards to the inflation. So seems like this is going to be a very interesting end of the week tomorrow. So what else in the news? Indeed, I think all of the headlines is just pushing this whole PPI numbers. Eurozone industry shrinks more than expected. UK economy post surprise 0.30% growth. Dow futures, of course, dropping like a stone. Not just the Dow, but SPY and the triple Q are moving lower too. However, I've just seen some stocks which are still quite hanging on the green. For example, Amazon is up 0.62%. Microsoft is green too, and Humana, PepsiCo, and that's it. Everything else is completely red, traders, completely red. So let's just go to the big movers. Hi there, and thank you very much for your list. I'm just going to check it here. Well, DLO, Wolf, KDOS, SOFI, definitely it's on my list as well. COHR, yeah, that was an earnings stock as far as I remember. Yes, Louise, maybe the ready time for me today. I just tried to show that stock, not with a huge success maybe today, but be careful because this is another crazy runner. There is another TPR as well, an earnings stock. So let's just see what did these stocks do in the pre-market. Let's just start with DEAR. It's DE. DE at the moment, it's quite low, down like -7%, and looks like actually a continuation, of course, because of the numbers. I mean, the earnings numbers were not the best for the DE. That's why it's just moving lower. So let's just watch it for a continuation. And definitely, I'm just going to start the list with so long and short. And my today we will have some more to the short side, but let's see on the news. Tapestry here as well. This is down to 10% after its full year outlook missed the analyst estimates. That's definitely not a good news, TPR, and can go to our short list. Coherent there, semiconductor fell more than 19%. Ouch, that's painful. So COHR, no doubt, I completely agree with Darren that this needs a place on the short list. Bulldoe, bullish, share surged 14% in extended trading, and this is still strong. So I'm going to watch this on the long side. In the meantime, traders, okay, that now the whole market is pulling back, but actually we have seen a record high on the Bitcoin yesterday, over 124. Now it's moving lower as well. As I see, it's back under 120 because of this disappointing PPI news. Hi, Sharko, nice to see you. Luis, small quantity, let it grow multiple days. Nice. Good catch. Hopefully it's going to work. Small quantity is the most important on the Reddit short, okay? All right, KDOS is here as well. Gains 3% after BTIG upgraded the stock. At the moment, KDOS still up 2%. Definitely very nice and strong. We can just put it to the long list. What else in here? The local financial technology company, the DLO, as on Darren's list as well. This is higher thanks to the news. And what else in here? As I mentioned, you are still Amazon and Microsoft and Netflix hanging in the small green indeed. That's not bad. I'm going to watch them on the secondary list. And Ally Auto is here too on a JP Morgan downgrade. This is a lower price stock, but if you like this type of stocks, I just can call it for you to the short side. Okay, IBTA, another earnings stock, indeed 30%, 34% lower after the second quarter results missed the analyst estimates. So this stock seems like as a possible short candidate. And if I'm just checking my list traders, I'm sure I'm going to watch on the secondary list the very extended stocks like Reddit, PLTR, Roblox, Hood. So all of them which are just to the moon, they need to come back, okay, to the moon and back. So now this is the back phase. So let's see whether this Reddit short, what we are just watching with Luis, is going to move and work at all. Hi, Steve C. Oh, that's a nice one. Thank you, Steve. I cannot see it. I need to make my more bigger. Oh, the PPI. Nice, nice, nice graph about the PPI. Mm-hmm. Nice. Okay, traders. So what else in here? SOFI, Darren. I'm just going to watch it. SOFI, it's a quite of a lower price stock, but a quite of a good mover despite of being a $23 stock. Looks like as this one as well as a reversal, bit extended as well. So might we can just watch it for a continuation a bit lower in my opinion, but around 23, maybe there will be a nice continuation because now it's just pulling back a little bit in the pre-market. 23 can be a quite of a strong support, I think, for this SOFI. Traders, in the meantime, I don't have any more candidates at the moment. As I've told you, Amazon definitely on my list because it's surprisingly strong, at least compared to the other stocks. At the moment, Triple Q is down 0.42%, and the SPY is even lower, as I've seen, no, a little bit higher, sorry. The SPY is a bit stronger, 0.36. PPI numbers were a disappointment. Let's see whether this is going to cause the first serious pullback day on this extremely strong bullish momentum market, or the bulls are just going to shake it off as all of the bad news so far. We will see it soon. I wish you a good luck, VIP room traders, and I'm going to see you then next Friday. But if not, then definitely on the 25th, I'm going to be here again. So have a beautiful trading day still there, all of greens. Good luck to you, and don't forget that even next week Jackson Hole Symposium is coming. So I would say this is not a usual boring summer August. As usual, it is, you know, lower volume choppiness. So far it's fantastic, so I hope you are going to navigate it into the green. I'm sure that Scott and DVG are going to do their best, and Clifton is going to help you as always. So team, thank you, and see you in like a little bit more than a week. So, and I'm just going to stay with the YouTube traders as always. Bye everyone, good luck. Okay, so YouTube traders, I'm just going to put my list here. Okay, I'm still here with you like for an hour today, and then Amir is going to lead you through the day. I mean, until like 11 o'clock. And I'm really, really excited what's going to happen with this market because actually it's so much. Here is the time. Like this cannot go forever for a small pullback. And as I mentioned, I'm definitely going to watch the very extended stock for a bigger pullback. I'm not sure that we will see that. And as I mentioned, I'm still not sure whether the bulls are going to give up even despite of that news. Today, I think no more economic news, but let me just double check it. Like, I mean, I know that there will be a Trump speech, as far as I remember, even an FOMC member speaker coming, but I'm just double checking it for you. Okay. USD President Trump speaks 1 p.m. and FOMC member Musalem speaks 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Okay, it's this Ibota or what? This is a earning stock, so that's why Ibota. This is an earning stock. It's down 34%. With more than 500k volume, and it got some really bad news. So that's why I just put it to the short side. Anyway, I never traded this stock, so I don't think so. This is going to be my first and almost candidate indeed. So I'm going to watch that. All right. If you have any questions, any candidates on your list, please just let me know. Amir is going to join us soon. And then we are going to navigate through this at least the first hour. And I'm sure that Amir is going to stay with you a little bit more. And I'm going to my favorite ones are from the short side. Actually, I like DE definitely, COHR2, TPR not that much, and the big names like the really big names. I see, for example, Hood down 1.6%, Reddit or already 2%, AMD pulling back, Coin is pulling back as the Bitcoin gave up after a record high too. What else? UPST 3%, AFRM. So we have so many huge movers downside. MU seems like it just continues. Yesterday it was quite of a big mover too. MU. Okay. Yeah, I think MU is going to fill the gap. I don't know. Seems like. Microsoft, Kevin. Actually, Microsoft is one of the strongest today because it's green despite of this big bleeding on the market. I can't call it as a big bleeding because I think we have not seen such a big red number in pre-market for a while indeed. But yes, you are right on the Microsoft on the daily. I love it. I love it. I really like the daily chart on the Microsoft, and I agree with your call there. Mhm. I want 5, 20, 50, not really, but you know what? Like yesterday low, 519.30. I think this can be a quite of a stronger uh, um, trigger for the shorts, and definitely the 518 level. I know we are far away from that, but listen, if the whole market's starting bleeding, then this is going to be a good one. Let's see first whether this overall market is going to move at all. Hi Lee, good morning to you. Yes, Luis, which one? CRWV gave 10 points. Oh, wow. Yeah, I've seen that. It was amazing, actually. I know. That was a nice one. I like this, but I get out a little bit early. Yeah, I see. And you know what? Might we are going to see a continuation here, so we should watch that. Definitely. Okay, traders, I'm very much wondering whether it's going to be a nice shorty day or another pullback day and the and the bulls just start running. We don't know yet. I think we are on the brink because SPY is down 0.40, triple Q 0.48. It's still, I mean, it's weak, but not that much weak. Momentum, BBAI, Apple, QBTS, RGTI. Thank you, Amir. Thanks a lot. Okay. I cannot hear you yet. Okay. Hi, Matt. Good morning to you. As you can see, Amir already posted his list, BLSH, Apple, QBTS, and RGTI. Now, that's good because RGTI and QBTS were not on my list. Now, let's see how does it look like. Wow, that was really strong yesterday. Small pullback today, but it doesn't mean that, it's going to continue. It is just can be a drag down because of the momentum of the market, and maybe RGTI is going to find a fight of a support on a way down, and then it can make a possible reversal. So I guess what Amir means, it can be a long on that one, and he's going to join soon. So traders, today 10 o'clock Muslim speaks, 1 p.m. President Trump speaks, and PPI ruined the Bulls party so far, but let's see whether the Bulls are going to still continue this party or giving up a little bit. I'm going to watch big names, Apple for sure as well, Amazon still surprisingly strong actually. Are the charts black for anyone? Yes, Matt, because Amir is going to join with his chart now. Okay, we are just testing it because, as you know, I'm not going to be here from tomorrow, and I was always the one who made the screen share, and I want you to see definitely charts when we are trading, and like that, Amir actually he can just show his trades for you. So hopefully he's going to make it happen soon, and we can start trading in 5 minutes. Okay, wow. Hood is down a lot too. $107. Scott already called coin. Okay, Amir, we cannot see it yet, but we are waiting for it. Definitely. Okay, KTOS, I'm going to watch it to the long side too. Reddit short, KTOS. KTOS looks strong. Yeah, let's see the other long here. Bull, maybe bull can be interesting there too, traders. Bull. Okay. No, come on, bull. Okay. I think I don't have this here. So I'm going to put here coin. And here bull. I think bull we cannot trade on the TEFS. I'm going to let the guys know. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all of the big names on the list, and even AMD. Okay. Oh, hi, Amir. Where are your charts? Happy to hear you. Okay, I'm just refreshing the stream, but so far I cannot see it, unfortunately. Mm, you mean, okay, that's mhm, okay. No, I cannot see it, unfortunately, and they cannot hear you either. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I don't know what is happening. You see, guys, I've told you, tech gadgets, tech gadgets. I don't like that. No, 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 no. Please don't.
Okay.
Okay, we see charts. That's good. RGTI. Okay, on the RGTI, do you wait for a continuation higher?
I don't know, Agi. I'm waiting. I don't know.
Okay.
This is one of the charts. It's not really the chart that I want, but doesn't matter. There's some. Always I have the FIG. My major candidate BLSH. BLSH is the
Okay.
major one. Yeah, yeah, that's the major one. Um, did you trade it yesterday, Agi?
Which one?
BLSH.
No, no, I have not seen that. I'm just going to check it.
Agi, what's going on? That was the hype. I think I got it with like
Oh my goodness.
three or four
What is that be?
dollar. Yeah, that's the one that everybody
Really?
expected.
It's
I bought it like
IPO. It was an
90
IPO.
93 and sold some 110, and then it went from 118 to 68. Yeah, it was like a roller coaster. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just checking traders whether you can hear Amir.
You hear me, guys?
Please let us know whether you can hear Amir
Luis?
because Luis told that we cannot hear. Jeremy, yes.
Okay, if
Okay,
Jeremy spoken, so it's good. Jeremy spoken. Yeah,
fantastic.
Jeremy
So,
always
guys,
spoken.
my camera, Amir's screen. Good luck, everyone.
Yeah, now we need a good trade, Aggie. Yeah,
Yeah.
the system is there. Okay, so
Okay, guys. Now let's see. RGTI, that looks interesting. To watch it. All right.
FIG, CAH, LGTI. LGTI, did you see what happened yesterday? Like
Yeah.
in the middle of the
Yeah.
day, they just started to buy it. Unbelievable.
Huge move.
Yeah. Don't have a lot of candidates, but the candidates that we have are pretty. BBAI, around six, supposed to be. BMNR always on my chart. CAH has some. What was the. Guys, do you remember like last. When was the Tuesday? Again, the last three trades that you had, somebody remain in them. We had BBAI, 15
Oh, that was
cents,
good.
gave us
Mhm.
$1. We have CAH, and he gave few points, and we have Nvidia. So that was the last
Mhm.
three. So our luck is good. If you can come, 9:30, just come around 10:30 and wait for them. Okay.
Yep.
What is your candidate today, Aggie?
I'm watching the whole market like definitely TQQQ under the nose if
No,
the
no, no.
market
Even to
continues.
me, even me
Um,
today at TQQQ. Yeah.
so yeah, definitely it's a huge mover. But what I'm waiting for, it's kind of confirmation from the market that the bulls are really giving up for a little while at least. Until I cannot see that, I'm going to be quite cautious with the calls. I'm just checking here KDOS for a possible reversal to the upside, Reddit definitely to the short side, Hood to the short side. Like I'm checking, these really extended stocks.
Yeah, we have three IPO today. So usually the IPO
Mm,
now it's very late. Yeah, we have BUUU,
yeah.
which is crap. We have MIAX, which is the best supposed to be, and RYOJ.
Oh, that's a lot.
Our GTI, let's see the volume 1673. No, yet. I like maybe this level here, but there was a big volume here. I don't really want to.
Mm,
So, let me put, because I see that our picture is exactly on the chart that I'm watching, something. So, what I'm saying is, if you see my chart, yeah, um, our GTI, I like this level here. My problem is two problem. Um, Risk reward is okay, not amazing, but look at this volume here. Mm, kind of
okay,
suspicious to me.
TOS. I just blinked and it just made the reversal. That was too quick for me. Look at that. Oops, sorry guys.
Um,
Okay. I still don't like too many things there. Shopify I'm checking too. It can be interesting. I'm checking. Actually, I'm checking even Reddit, but I must tell you guys that the bulls are biting back. Look at that. And I missed the KDOS. 70 would have been my entry. And this was like just a 1 second trade. We just made a huge run without me. I hope anyone took it. And yeah, I agree with you, Jeremy. I've told to the guys as well that Amazon is one of the strongest in the pre-market already. So I'm going to watch it. So, okay, guys, let's just make some calls here. I like Reddit under 231, Luis, if you are with me. But very low share size, like just for fun, 3 or 4.
CRWV looking pretty interested around this level here. Shit, sorry. Yeah, the 115. Let's see if
Come on, Reddit.
Aye.
Okay. Stop loss over the highest traders on the Reddit, so be careful with the share size. I can't believe this whole market's still going up. Okay, TPR checking and Shopify starting to look better and better. Kevin, maybe even under 146.90. I like this Shopify actually. RBLX or RBLS, Luis?
When you say RBLX, Aggie, immediately, what's going on? What's going on? Aggie, you have a
And
craving
I'm
for
not
that.
in. And I'm not in.
You're not in.
Not in. Oh, come on, Reddit. Has not entered yet because 230.90 it's my entry and seems like these bulls are really biting back. So KDOS, unfortunately, I missed. Now let's see Roblox. Maybe it's going to be better than Reddit. And Shopify, it's really good. I like Shopify, guys. Circle,
Okay,
yeah, I've
guys.
seen.
I want to take half position here, 75.80 on bullish. Big stop, $1.50. And if it's going to break the high, 76.80, add. So it's a big stop, but believe me, this is a big move stock. So again, above this level here, 75.70. Stop going to be around here, half position, and then add over the high. Let me see. This is what you see, the gray one. I have some good chart with the pre-market. So This is the aftermarket, the pre-market. So we are actually around this level here. And definitely, if we have shorts, 70 to 50 we need. 80 from yesterday. This was a crucial area. That where the big shorts was there. So I remember that levels like it was tomorrow, like it was
Mm,
yesterday, which is was yesterday. Okay,
okay.
so 75.80 guys. Stop gonna be $1.50. That level here. Yeah. Let's
Okay,
put it on the
traders.
one.
Shopify first partial is going to be 146.40. Stop loss is 147.60. Around the low of the day. 146.20. Let's go for a 20. Yeah, bull looks bullish. Bull looks bullish. I like that. Where are you going to take it? The bull? Amir.
At the BLSH, I'm gonna write half here. Sorry, I'm not in the right chart.
Oh, I thought you called this bullish. The bull.
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
BLSH.
Okay, okay,
Ah,
okay.
you meant you thought about BULL,
Yes,
correct?
yeah.
No, 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 no. I'm also watching Apple.
Mm,
Um, where is Apple here? Yeah, I want to see it around a level. I want to buy it cheaper, around 230.
mm. Shopify, in the meantime, it's heading toward first partialing point traders, and the market is having a little trouble here, which is good.
You can see from yesterday we have like a triangle here, higher low. We actually broke it, but immediately with the volume, so you can see something going on here.
Mm,
BBAI, instead there was okay, Rigetti.
mm.
Okay, so Rigetti, that area
Guys,
was good. Yeah.
okay, first partial on Shopify, 146.25. Three quarter I'm taking out on Shopify, and stop loss is going to be over 147. 147. Nice. Thank you, Kevin, for the Shopify. It was not on my list, but this is a very extended one as well. So you were absolutely right. So thank you for Kevin. This nice trade. So I took my partial now, and let's see whether we can make a bigger one. Reddit, I think we can cancel. It's still pushed higher and higher. No stop for the Reddit.
According to the TQQQ, Aggie, the market wants to go up, huh?
Yeah, I
Look,
see.
yeah, look at the volumes and everything. Lots of
No
pressure.
chance. No
No
chance
chance.
for the
No, no,
bears.
no, no. Yeah, no, no. At least now. Yeah, yeah, definitely. When you see something like,
No chance.
uh, let me put it again. Something like this, guys. Somebody is in control. Yeah. You're not mess around, start shorting when you see something like this, okay? Back off. Back off. Definitely. Doesn't matter what you have on your head. I like what BLSH is still doing here. I like this consolidation here. And volume start to increase here. Let's put it on. I'm flipping here. I have different chart, but I want you to see. Yeah, you start seeing the volume here, the levels of the bar and the green. So this one, the 75.80, this is a half position and above the high. And area, if everything's going well, 80, because 80 is also this level here of the pre-market. You see how they market pretty nice. So yeah, the only trade I knew I will be confident with stock is the BLSH. The other one, I'm not so sure, to tell you the truth. No, I don't know how. Didn't have a lot of candidates.
VDA is higher. That's
Yeah.
crazy. Okay. You need VLSH, guys. I don't know when we can open it for you, but I try my best.
It's not open for them, Aggie.
Mm. No, but I'm just calling for the guys.
Really? Okay. Sorry, I was talking like you, and
Mm.
basically I'm in half position, and but with all the chat, with all the so that some of you can't. Definitely, I want to show you the process. So let's see if it was
Okay.
good that you didn't have it, or it was bad. Hmm.
Market started to struggle, so might I'm going to reconsider this TQQQ soon. Trader Shopify, I think I'm just making one more small partial here and then definitely let it run. Nice winner, one more dollar in the money. So I'm just buying back half and let's see. And on the TQQQ, I think I'm going to take under 94.28. So first partial on Shopify
I want to
and
take it around here, under the low of that candle here. Somehow.
TQQQ.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I understand what you said. It's a little bit above the view
Yeah,
up. Doesn't bother
yeah.
you?
Mhm. I think it's 27 is going to be the entry. Okay, no, bulls are biting back like crazy. Look at that.
Go. Oh, okay.
Ah,
I want to put here.
that's amazing.
I want to see what happened with MU on the pre-market.
Seems like there is no place for the bears. Ooh, circle is dropping. Shopify stop loss is going to be 146.20 traders, 146.20.
Watching also MU.
Hmm? Oh, hood. What a breakdown. Amir, Humble Ninja just asked you which level did you enter on BLSH?
I told them here 70 around here 75.80 with $50. So my stop is around here, half position, and adding above this level here. So you actually can see still we have kind of a triangle. We have kind of a higher low. Um, Definitely, if we get out of this range, it's gonna blow up. That's
Mm,
for sure. Okay, so the full position above 66.80 here, and first area is around here, the 80. Yeah,
nice.
it's still not nice, Agi. It's still
No,
yeah,
it needs to break
yeah,
out, definitely.
yeah. It's really problem to find candidates. But I knew
Yeah.
it before. I knew it before. That's what I told you. I was confident I will do something with BLSH. With the other ones, really, I don't know. We need to.
Okay. Market seems like it's not stopping. Actually, it's just
Yeah.
filling the gap.
Okay. MU. I want to do MU here above 123.10, and stop gonna be here 60 cents. Okay. 123.10. 60 cents. In the future, I could write you and it's going to be marked, so you're going to see it immediately. But now,
Yeah.
just listen. Yeah, you can see it here around this level. 123.10 and 60 cents stop. Hopefully we're gonna get the dollar here towards the close of yesterday and hello
Nice. I
BLSH.
told
Hello,
you the
hello.
bulls are back on the track.
No,
No
BLSH
stop.
is different. Look at the volume, guys. Now the key is here 80, guys. 80, 80. Like the volume, it's rocking. 77. Spread 30 cents. I like it. But what I want to see and I don't see here is, let's see, I have some here. I want to see the volume coming. See, that volume is good, but here I want to see those levels. Yeah, see what happened? Hmm. Yeah. Okay, the stop is around here, this level here, and need to be patient. Yeah, that's a struggle here. You see, that's a struggle. You see, we broke with almost quarter of a million shares. They try to short it. You can see a big range dodgy, and yeah, you can see the change of the color. Like somebody is struggling. It's like a fist fight,
Yeah.
really. Me and my vivid imagination, but is that's what's going on? Yeah.
Okay. So I guess there won't be any TQQQ trade, guys, because everything is just pushing higher. It's amazing. No one cares. No one cares at all. Okay, BLSH is open for you guys. BLSH.
Hopefully it's not BLS hate, huh? Hopefully it's not gonna be. Okay. Tesla basically is nothing. Wow. Really ugly chart, guys.
Yeah, it doesn't look good. I'm just watching here what to trade, but actually it's amazing. This market
I'm
is
looking for
completely
MU, guys.
resilient. It does not
Here.
care.
110. Boom. Okay, I'm in. I'll put automatic orders. Now I have to see. We have this level here, and I want to see. Let's see the big picture here a little bit. Uh, I have the pre-market here, so let's take off the pre-market.
Okay, SPY is breaking higher. Triple Q filling the gap. Apple looks like it wants to go higher. Microsoft looks a little bit stronger now too.
Yeah, Apple is not giving me nothing. With candidate,
Mm.
Tesla is nothing. Market has good bars now. MU supposed to do it like the market, but it's not.
Wow, Triple Q breaking out. SPY is breaking out.
Yeah, we saw the volume, Maggie. We saw the big bars there. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, I have something that. What about this?
Okay, or Shopify is still doing great, guys. I'm going to leave it 145.30. I think 145.30 is going to be my final stop loss there.
We have to put ourselves to see this one, the RKLB.
Mm.
There's a momentum here, so I'm gonna put it here. BLSH got good support. Again, the game in BLSH is different. The stops are bigs. Again, it's not big because yesterday the range of the stocks from the bottom to the high was almost like 30. So if I'm taking 3 or 4 points, it's nothing. Um, the key with just let's put BLSH here is we have to get out of this range, and if we clear the 80, see that's what the stock did yesterday. So I don't know if we're gonna get there. If you see what happened around 80, that's what happened around 80. Boom, 80 is a huge level. Again, we are not getting close to the 80 right now, but you always need to look at the big pictures to see what's going on. Um, it's still okay. It's still okay. You could see that this is the 9 EMA. You could see that there is a bounce from here, and it's fine. I would be happy to see volume increase, but nobody asked me. So, oh,
I'm out of Shopify in the meantime.
okay. FIG. Let me put FIG. Let's put FIG here. Yeah, it looks good, okay, but there's no volume enough. Um, what you need to see to write to make yourself a list on your watch list, all these IPO, the
Mm.
FIG, the BLSH, because give it sometimes. Think about the PLTR was a IPO, went down, so around 30 or whatever, turn around, and you need to find those places, this area here, for example, in FIG, the 92 looks amazing. Look at the risk rewards. So you have to follow, like it's not a big deal. Just put a file, watch list, and just go over, if it's getting close, put alert, and because this is pressure, PLTR, if you want to see PLTR, we know it in these levels, but look at the monthly. This is PLTR, you see? See what's going on here? That was when the IPO went down to 16, okay? So you could buy PLTR 1620 before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So you could do like from 20 to, the numbers. Oh, sorry, it's PLTU. PLTR. I knew something was wrong. Yeah. Yeah, that's even better. Look at this. Monthly. So this is the IPO. 30 something. That's what I remember. You see? Now it's blah, 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 blah. You watch it above this level here. Boom shakalak. Yeah.
Hey
With a
guys,
good volume. So just watch
I'm
it.
trying this TQQQ again. Amir, what do you think? Sorry to
No,
interrupt
no,
you.
no.
It's very
It's
close.
fine. TQQQ. Let's put it.
Oh, okay.
MU, we have the stop under 50. Yeah. Basically, we could take it here. Yeah, here. You want it around here?
Yeah, under
Mm.
94.40.
Yeah,
Because I
definitely.
think
If you
here
would
needs
say that,
to,
we'll take something here, because then
yeah,
we
I
have
think
enough
that,
space, because it can bounce from the V up here. I think. I don't know.
I think the sell-off is very strong. I was waiting for that signs there, so I'm
Oh,
going to write
okay.
it out, even if it's going
You
to
know, I
be
think
minus.
about something else. You see, it bounce. If it's coming
Mm-hmm,
to this level here, the 94.60, we can start buying it here.
mm-hmm.
Maybe it's doing a retest to here, and then if we come in here, we can actually, if we break here, we can actually buy more, and then it's a free ride, I think.
Let's see. Let's
Yeah.
see. I'm thinking on Reddit as well, traders, just a very small and building a position.
Sage, guys, clap your hand. 78, clap your hand. 78. You see, you need patience. You need the right stop. You need patience. Again, 80. Let's pray. We want to see the big volume. Again, I don't see the volume. Let's see. Yeah. Start, but I want to see this volume here. This is kind of the relevant volume that I can have. Me and my big mouse. See what happened. Okay, we're not gonna talk about it, and we're gonna put it on a different chart, so you're not gonna see it. MU, piece of shit. This MU. I told you I don't need to trade that one. You see all the time tricks.
Mm. Dicking, no, not yet. My first entry has not been executed, and now I'm just watching it under this 240.80 for possible. possible break, but I'm not sure it's going to be there. I mean, it's still
Okay, guys, I
like
want to see RKLB. Um, Give me a second. I need to see if something about that stock.
okay.
Not a lot of volume today.
No, and
No, I mean in
yeah.
RKLB, I want to do something
Oh,
here,
wow.
but daily look like a piece of everything today. Chart looks, the stock looks. I want to throw everything and go to the beach, Aggie. Yeah, it's like there's nothing to
Yeah,
work with. Yeah,
I know. Look at PLTR as well. Wow, it's
yeah, it's
strong.
still
And
there.
Roblox, AMD, Amazon is on VWAP as well. I've just seen it. Yeah, just broke the VWAP. Okay, guys, just a second. I will be back. Okay, Amir.
We're gonna get wild, guys. Okay, Aggie is not here. We can get wild. What are you looking at, guys? Maybe I will get inspiration from you. I don't see really. I don't see. Okay, so MU again, still holding the stop, and it was the previous high, 23. Well, like it did 30 cents. Um, okay, that's what we're gonna do with RKLB. Let me put it here. Mm, 45.30 here. Let's buy, and stop gonna be here. 30 cents, guys. Sorry. Let's put about 32. Yeah. Okay. That's the level. That's our stop. Pretty straightforward. We have one to one, but that's definitely we have a big momentum there. Don't see the relevant, but yeah, I see if we break that level here, daily looks really good. So RKLB is in.
Okay, I am back.
We got into RKLB, Aggie.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm still
We
waiting.
got we got here 45.30. Stop gonna be
I
here 30 cents. The daily look like a piece of something like crap, but here there's a good volume here and it's pretty open here.
mm.
Probably we need something. Again, we need a trade that give us hey guys 80 prepare. What I'm gonna do here is 60% I'm gonna sell 79.90. Okay, guys, we got 79.58. MU, hello. If it's coming back to here, 30 cents, and return under the round numbers, I'm throwing half position. Give me a break. Okay, let's put here BLSH, and MU is gonna be here. Okay, BLSH. Want to see the volume? Okay, the volume, you see? Start going, which is good, you see? A climb. You don't need to even calculate. You just see. Okay, 79 something. How many of you in BLSH, guys? Let me see. Let's start to do a dialogue. How many in BLSH, guys? None?
It was not open,
Yeah,
BLSH.
but probably some of the people here, not all of them are trading.
Yeah, I
Sometimes I
know.
have two platforms. In
Okay, let's go.
BLSH, brick order. Okay. Bye
Nice.
bye
That's a
80.
big mover.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, partial. Partial 82. Boom. Boom shakalak. Boom, boom, boom shakalak.
Beautiful.
Exactly. That's what we're waiting for. That's the entry. That's the ad. Boom shakalak.
I just seen bull as well when you called BLSH.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah, I
bull
got it.
started
That
the
was my
VWAP here.
candidate,
So
Wixon. That was my candidate, my biggest candidate. And you
nice.
And that 80 was like, we talked about it. You learn the stock that you trade at the beginning. You learn the levels like it's a test, really. Every levels, like we were talking about the 80. Yeah, and see what happened. Oh yeah,
Mm.
that's really good. Let's bring the stop on here. I want to give it a space. Oh wow. 85. 85 the next partial. Yeah, we're gonna take it like randomly, just because the spirit, and look at the volume bars. Look at the volume. That's what I was
Very
expecting to
nice.
see, the big volume like here. See? Live. Really good. Really good. Really good. And I wanted to go to the beach, Aggie. You see? It's good that I
Patience,
stay.
patience.
I know, I know, I know. Okay,
Mm.
MU guys. You see, we got again. I don't know if it's a double top, but my trade right now, if it's breaking this level here, reducing half position, and stop is here, same stop, but going to be half position. Okay,
I still like my TQQQ, by the way. It has not done too much. I mean, small pullback, but it's okay.
you know, again in the previous TradeNet room before they had the YouTube, usually Clifton used to put me. I have like a clip song, like when stuff like
Oh,
this
yes,
happen.
we don't have
Yeah,
it here.
I know,
Yes.
no, 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 you can't do it here.
Yeah.
So there was like Let It Go, Eric Clapton. When you have big trade like
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Yeah, but what happened is when they start doing it on YouTube, when they put it on YouTube, boom, because it's I'm not
Yeah.
authorized to put that song, and then they close the YouTube. So we
You
decide,
need to be careful.
yeah, you don't need to be careful. You just can't do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Google.
BLS Sage.
Hmm.
BLS Sage looking good. Let's start to look at the big picture here in BLS Sage. I want you to see the pre-market, but I want you to see. Okay, so this is the 80, the famous 80 that here was the pre. Now, what is the next level around here? I remember it was 95, 86.50, something like this. And then we have this level here, 94. Oh, wow, 85. You remember Brickox? 85, that's the next level. Another partial. So it's going to be from the first entry like 10
Nice.
points. 10 points.
Okay. Digging circle, it's too late for me, but yeah, and I left some money on the table on the shop as well. And Kevin, Google, I think the market finally needs to give up to see Google to break.
Okay.
Apple to look at the Apple, just get that back, went back to the lows. I still like my Reddit
Oh,
call.
okay, guys. Let's pay attention. I'm going to tell you why to BBAI. Okay, BBAI is crappy 2 days ago, bad earning.
Mm.
Okay, but that was the area when you remember we did a trade here. We bought it around 5:15, and that was our trade. Yesterday, side move. Again, we're starting to get in this level. 610, I remember. 610. Not before that. I'm not going to buy here. You see what happened here yesterday? I think it broke a little bit, or 580. So we are waiting here, 610. I don't know where is the stop, but definitely you can see the volume. Almost 3 million shares here. Okay, so let's put it. Um, RKLB, I'm out. Didn't succeed.
Mm.
You know what? I knew in my side, but I wanted to take a trade. This is before the BLSA. That was if I'm going back to journal, I can write it under stupid trade. Really. Like there was momentum, the risk reward was 1 to 1, but I forced myself, I have to tell you. But when you have BLSH, who cares now? So they are both next to each other.
Price is going up for you. What do you think about FIG? Digging just called it.
I'm gonna tell you what's my problem with FIG. It's less than a million right now. See the
Mm.
volumes, the bars. See
It's
here.
yeah, a little bit like
It's
all
not
over the place.
exactly, Aggie. I love that stock. I love that stock in 91.50 and And this level here, and I'm watching it, but right now it's on my chart. But except that, no, this is not a force for A1, playbook.
Mm.
At least now it's not. Um,
And VDA, I don't know. It looks like it's a bull flag, but I must tell you, everything just depends on the market again. I want
guys,
to break out.
MU. I'm half position, but
Yeah,
MU, guys,
MU is
MU,
nice.
MU, good. Okay, I had to,
Let's see what it says.
according to. I'm not regret that I regret because see what happened. He got, and this is the beginning of the day.
Mm.
Get back again. It could be exactly like double top, and then boom, it failed. I didn't know that, but according to the way I'm trading, it came back. Under the entry, I reduced. I didn't get out, and I
Yeah.
left half. And I have now. I'm okay with that. Yeah.
Okay. Reddit is moving. Let's see. I'm still in TQQQ traders, and actually I plan ending TQQQ under 94.30. It's breaking it through again.
I don't know what's going on. Okay, the TQQQ. Sure, okay, we forgot. We said we're gonna buy something around 94.60. We had to,
It's
cause
okay.
now it's coming to your level that you wanted earlier. You
Yeah,
remember?
I'm in short already.
Ah, you did it. Where? What
Yeah,
price? What price?
94 under 94.40.
Oh, it's good. Good. Okay. And your stop
440. Let's see.
is above this level here, correct?
Now,
Above.
yeah, I just made an inverted cup and handle, so I think over 94.85 I'm going to be out if it's not going
Exactly.
to succeed
Exactly.
now.
Yeah.
But
Exactly.
so far, market's starting to be a little bit nervous. I think one FOMC member speaker we have today, like now. But so far, this overall market is amazing, like completely resilient.
MU guys. Ooh. Okay, when we get a one
I was
dollar
not
here, we can
expecting
take
that.
some partial. Okay.
Nice.
So this is like the third trade. It's fine, like usually at this time I had more, but you see, you
Mm,
trade what you see.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
BBAI guys, BBAI, just pay attention here. Right now, if I'm preparing size, low of this candle is 90, like a 20 cents. Um,
Wow, MU. Sick move.
she brought me the fate in MU, Aggie. You remember?
Wow.
I have love and hate in
I
MU.
know.
So now today's love, Aggie. I'm gonna buy a flower, damn you.
I'm in Reddit, guys. Fall! Fall off the cliff. Come on. 239 going to be my first partial. Wow, these bulls are so stubborn
Yeah.
on the market now. Apple is Apple is in a free fall. I was watching this
Yeah.
low level,
I
the
wanted
lowest
to
level.
I wanted to at the pre-market one of my this one I thought to buy Apple if it's gonna go to three. What was the number? 330. Let me see. I can't remember what was. Yeah, 230. Yeah, 230 level. So still, if I get Apple going to 231 even, and I'm gonna see something, definitely I want to start buying it.
Mm.
Apple. So let's see.
Yeah, everything depends really on the market, on the SPY, whether it can make a new high.
Okay, so BLSH. We didn't get almost. I had a stop. I had a partial area here, 84.90. We got 84. Now the key will be here. Again, we are getting to the famous 80.
Mm.
I want to see exactly what you see right now. Hopefully, you see buyers waiting, and we're gonna do because if not, it's not.
Okay, we are getting back to the entry on the TQQQ traders, and I'm going to add again under 94.30.
Okay, MU guys.
Oh,
Got
wow. Gap fill.
yeah.
Mm,
Got partial. Usually look at this. The gap 27 and I have 22. Like 5 cents. So I'm still holding it layer. Usually I'm not putting something exactly on, few cents under. Um, BLSH looking good, MU looking good. Look at this. I'm
mm,
starting to move into 5 minutes. You can see, definitely you can see the big bar, the big green, no spikes. Immediately like textbook, textbook
mm.
long. Yeah.
Okay, come on, triple Q, break this beautiful inverted cup and handle. I love to see that, but I will like it better if it's breaking.
Okay, BBAI. What I want to do? You know what? I'm gonna buy some, maybe 30% here. Right now, 591. Stop gonna be under the close of yesterday, like 12 cents. Just 30%. I want to start to build position here. So I'm gonna get like 20 cents if we're gonna break it. If not, 13 cents on 30%. Sometimes I like even to put ridiculous amount just to be in a trade so it's get my attention. So
Mm.
it's not gonna be a big size. So even if you have a small account, you can put even two shares. Just to be on the stock. Sometimes get your attention.
Ah, Reddit, no! I can't believe this stock is just get me all the time.
Reddit is crazy, dude. No.
It's not normal. It's doubled in 2 months.
Yeah. What was your trade? You short it?
Under 241, but I'm going to be out soon over the high. Look at that.
Yeah, it's typical tricks. They do it a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they put you
But
under this and immediately big bar.
after the second rejection, it looked
Yeah,
really good, but that's a beast.
it's a good algo, Aggie. It's a good
Yeah,
algo. Yeah, you know what you
okay.
can do? You can be pissed off of this. Just need
I'm
to.
okay
Yeah,
with that.
yeah. That's
Like,
it. No. Sometimes you
it's
know what
good.
you don't like that somebody's playing with you.
Yeah,
Like,
that's
but
for sure.
yeah,
That's for
especially with
sure.
money involved. So
Mm. There are still some sellers, but definitely not enough to push it back. It's amazing.
what are you trading,
No,
guys?
huge red day or a green day for this stock.
King. You wanted to do some longs on FIG, correct? You see, when you don't have enough volume, they can do something like this. You see what they did? Got in and boom. See how
Yeah,
easy was it?
hardly.
Beautiful bull flag, triple top, got you in, throw you out. Yeah. So sometimes the elimination is the most important one. You have to think about one, two, three, four, five things about the stocks if it's really good. If not, it's better to eliminate.
Okay, so this whole market is still so bullish.
It's not so
Unbelievable.
bullish. Look at the bars of the SPY, Aggie. It's not really.
What? It's just making an ascending triangle. It's ready to break again.
Yeah, but
Crazy.
see see here the quality, like lots of spikes. Right now you have
Yeah, I
something, but
know.
you see it's bull flag, but it's a crappy one. You want to see a
I
bull
know.
flag that it's nice. Uh,
Mm.
Let me see. I'm gonna put you here. The other one has the pre-market, so I'm gonna put you here. The BLSH. Look at this in 5 minutes. You have the bull. You have here now. Think about this. What's gonna happen if we're gonna break 84.20? Now I like to use the 9 and the view up. So now even the 9 cut the view up. So usually it's a good sign. So right now here, this looks pretty optimistic. Really looking good. When I see something like this, um, you can actually even to enter. I don't think so. If you are in the trade bricks or whatever, 84.20. Um, Yeah, like a 2 points you can add, but again, half of what you have. If you have half,
Yeah.
just add quarter. Don't start to be. Uh, Sometimes people screw up with the adding. They get excited, we're in the money, then they triple the ad, and they immediately everything is fucked up.
Okay, guys, one loser on TQQQ, unfortunately. And Reddit going to be out as well, over 244.50, I think. This is the max loss there. This market is completely insane. I mean it. Detached from reality.
That's I knew all the time, Aggie. That
Mm,
it's detached. It's like a flea market, not Nasdaq. It's a flea market, really.
it's
Sometimes,
crazy.
okay, guys, BBAI. Okay, so we are here 592, and right now 610 is my area to add. Um, Stop gonna be somewhere around here. Yeah, it's too much, like 25 cents. Yeah. Now, when I'm watching the BBAI, let's see the big picture here on 30 minutes even. So we have the 610. Okay, so we have some rejection here around 640. And then if we break it, we have some here. Again, we have edge. I love those trades. You never was gonna know what's gonna happen. There's a big gap here. And you see, if I'm watching it on 30 minutes,
Mhm.
you could see what's happened. I thought here when we took the trade, I thought it's going to be a dead cat bounce. So we're going to do something and it's going back. So the cat is alive. It's not a dead. It's alive, really cat. See what happened here. And just second day, nothing. But today is the third day. So today, again. So I'm pretty kind of excited to see what's going to happen here. 610. I have already the order inside. I did 610 because this is 608. Usually the first 10 they are playing, so I want to take a few cents above, so 610. Okay. MU. Okay, got a partial in MU. Good, good.
124.
Stop right now here under 124, 123.40. Okay. BLSH, guys, prepare for liftoff.
Yeah,
Really, this
looks
is a
like it's a
liftoff.
breakout. Mm.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Again,
My Reddit is
86.
still hanging on a thread.
You what?
The Reddit is still hanging on a thread.
You're the Reddit. Aggie, come to the IPO awards. It's much better than the
Yeah,
Reddit.
looks
Oh.
like.
Okay, BLSH again. 86.50. That's the second area for partial. It's gonna be like around 12 points from the first entry. Um, what else? I have to go to the screen and start doing something because I don't see nothing.
Wow, BBAI. Nice comeback.
Agi, we don't have to talk. You see, now it heard you from 6, got out to 591.
Mm.
We should not give compliment before we get the
Yeah.
pulses, Agi. Yeah. I was talking nice about MU. See what it did to me. I had to reduce.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, BBAI. Good support of the 9. That's what I like, the 9. That was in 2 minutes, but usually here. Let me see. Oh, there is a small cap here. I see W Wolf. Hmm. What but Asbet? This is something you see. I loved. I learned it from Scott, guys. You see, when you trade, that's the most important. You know, in the room or whatever. It's not just the triggers. You know, you learn because that's the only way that you actually can deal with traders. So when I'm doing
Mm.
mentoring, I learn a lot from students, even
That's
with
for
less
sure.
experience for me.
Yeah.
So this line I learned from Scott years ago, and even using I use differently the pre-market, but this is something that I was years ago aware that he did, and immediately I embrace it.
Mm.
Really, and like today I can't see even how could I not do it. You know, like see how a lot of stocks are related to to the close of yesterday's, and definitely my attitude about the opening, how I'm relating to the levels from the pre-market because momentum trade you need to do it. So, but that's thing that I learned from Scott.
You mean the pre-market?
Pre-market slash the close of the day.
I see. Hmm.
The line. It's like I have
Yeah.
it. You see, I have it in every chart. It's like amazing. Like it helps a lot. See, for example, here even the TQQQ. See all the thi- all the thing that happen here. Um,
Mm.
here you see everything is coming around. Boom, boom. This line
Crazy.
is the close. Yeah. So everything is coming. Like which other stock? Yeah. Guys, you're quiet today. What's going on? No
Yeah.
question. Everything is. Aggie will start sing. Aggie, you like to sing? Oh
No.
no, you don't like
You
to sing.
don't want me to sing.
Okay, okay, okay. So we want you to trade. That's okay.
Yeah, rather trading than
Okay,
singing.
okay.
Okay. Oh, it's so sad. I'm going to finish in red this day, seems like. Market resilience is just amazing.
Look at Rigetti, for example. You see, got all the way down here. Let's see. Uh, all the way pre-market and actually close. All the move here was to the close of yesterday. MU. Look at MU. So that's a cool thing that maybe we can think about. Let me put it even on 2 minutes to add. Because look at MU. Start to doing a nice bull flag. So basically we can make maybe an add here. What the market is doing. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Market is stuck. But if the market was like, let's say, going somewhere, definitely it could be a trade. Remember I told you sometimes you need to imagine before. So a trade,
Mm.
a stop. Okay, a trade, a stop. Um, got consolidation, the start to know. Like with MU, they can put you here and then you find yourself here, but this is another issue. Um, definitely. Yeah, my stop right now is here, 123.60. So I'm start raising my stop, still under the 9 EMA. Bullish. Like it. I like what it's doing here. Yeah, like what it's doing here. We got to 84.49. Um, volume is okay, but yeah, definitely. Sometimes what can happen is yesterday after what happened, the big guys sometimes they are the day after, they think what to do, whatever. Maybe during, if you are still bricks in that trade, definitely leave a stop because definitely buyers can come even at lunch. And if you're gonna see the big picture here, that's the big picture.
Mm.
Okay, the big picture is really big. Usually we're talking about big
Yeah.
picture. This is the big picture. So
Microsoft. Yeah. Everything is just okay. I'm out of Reddit, guys. It's going to go for new highs. There is no stop for this stock. Louis, be careful with your short if you want to short anything because, as you can see, even the huge PPI numbers is just market does not care.
Jeremy spoken. It's depend on you. You know, it's a side move, yeah. But again, it's depend the picks. I was thinking about, the stock that I was talking about was BLSH. That was pretty good. BBAI. We just started the position. We did the MU. We did RKLB, which we shouldn't. But you know, three trade. Well, BBAI half position. 30% is the false one, but I'm not bored. I'm not bored. I am. It's sometimes it's really depends. The market can do nothing, but your pick selection is the crucial. If you find the right ones, doesn't matter.
Mm.
Correct, Agi?
Yeah, completely agree.
Yeah.
Sharko, might the market is going to drop today, but so far doesn't look like it wants to drop.
Likely drops. Sarko, this is some attitude that you should get throw away. It means that you're not objective. It means that you're going to look for more shorts. I don't know. You see, even my triggers, I don't write them anymore like long or short because I'm open-minded, really. Because even if I'm not gonna think, if I'm thinking about something on the upside, uh, think about this one. Let's put it here. Remember 2 days ago we took the this trade. What was it? Let me put it in 5 minutes. Um, we took this trade here. Now this stock, look at this, was dropped like in. And sometimes, when I post, people say, "Wait, why? It's a gap down." Well, you most of the people, don't know what they're talking about. Really, they just, have all kind of stupid faith. Like,
Mm.
I'm talking about trades. That stock was, for me, that is one of my A plus. Like, I'm sizing here. You don't want to know how much. Like I'm looking for those capitulation, like something, and when you see immediately the stock being bought, you have the support, the view up, few bars, stop is here, boom shakalak. If you size it correctly, that's and not because I'm wise guys and I'm doing long on a big drop stock, like because this is something that I did so many times. Okay, a lot of times. When you do something a lot of times, you actually can size it correctly. So this is like, yeah, and I'm looking for those kind of things, especially in earning. So
SPY is breaking through the highs together with the triple Q. Tesla starting to push higher too. Look at that.
yeah, I'm watching it, but I couldn't find nothing. Like,
Mm.
see the MU here, yeah, got in, but it's I didn't add here. I didn't. Wow, look at the QQQ. Shit.
Yeah,
I was lecturing you,
crazy.
so if I could see the QQQ, I could add, but Yeah. Okay. BBAI is okay. As long as we get good support here, it's fine.
What a push.
Yeah. It's like every drop they like to
They
buy
buy it. Yeah, exactly.
buy in the dips. What about all the bitcoins and everything? Let's see what's going on there because in
Um,
the screener I don't see nothing.
Listen, Bitcoin just get to a new all-time high, but since then it's pulling back.
Nah, it's nothing.
Not too
Sometimes I
much.
like to
Yeah,
trade the IBIT. Right?
I did.
It's not going to be today. Yeah, you could see that there's nothing. It's a nice W shape. You know, at this level here, pretty interesting. Let me dive a little bit to see. Um, Basically, we actually broke it. I want to see the relevant volume, and I think I like that formation. I bet. Hmm. We have a nice W shape, you see. So usually the trigger for this is above here. Usually the stop's supposed to be here, but definitely I'm not. I wouldn't. But the volume is here, but I don't see it. No. Never. What's about Mara? We have Mara. What else do we have now? Like I have for everyone, I have a watch list. So if I do in crypto, for example, I can put immediately what's there. HUT is the strongest one in the crypto. You see, immediately I saw it. Hot. I'm not familiar with that stock. Yeah, remember we talked about the CRWV we made at the beginning, but it was pretty fast until I got the
Yeah,
trigger. It did a really good job today.
I've just seen it as well. Guys, if you
CR,
are still holding Reddit, go out over 245. Maybe it's going to make the move finally. But this market is just amazingly resilient. Looks like it's like it's going to be a new
I
all-time
guess
high.
CRWV is the company with the that had last year the problem with the correct. It's not
Which
the
one?
company that have problem. The CRWV is not the company that had a problem with. It's like doing all kind of tech, for the airlines and for the all
No,
kind of that they have the problem
really.
and they had to shut down all kind of airports and something like this. They had some problem. It's
No,
it's
it
it.
was CRWD.
CRWD, correct.
CrowdStrike. Yes,
Okay,
CRWV is
yeah,
Bitcoin related, as
yeah.
far as I
That's
remember.
you
But
see, I
please
knew.
let me know it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
because I
I
don't want
was in that time
to,
in
this is
Greece.
a nice.
In Greece, and then there
Oh,
was the
really?
announcement. No, it's good on Nagi. What happened? I was with my wife, and the only thing that happened is that delayed the flight in like 12 hours. So we have another night. Who cares?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Remember,
So
I
for
was.
you, it was a win. Yes, and it was CRWD. Exactly. Thank you.
Thank you, CRWD. What's going on with that? They got good. Look at the. Probably they did a good job because see what they have from
Yeah,
that
after
time.
that, it
Yeah,
recovered quite off. Yep.
really good, really good recover. Look at what happened. And assuming that was this area here, see what happened there. Really
Mm.
did. They did kind of something really good. From 100, almost 5 times more. Wow. Wow. No,
Mhm.
probably it's around here. I don't think it. Everyone is monthly. So
Okay. All right. I think I'm just going to call it as a day. Let's see this Reddit maybe at the end is going to get something. But guys, don't try shorting this market so far. It's just
At
completely
least
out
now, Agi.
of
At least
the
now.
at least now,
Yeah,
who knows,
don't. Who
like in
knows?
one
Yeah,
hour maybe it's going to give back
maybe
everything. So I'm
less.
not
Yeah,
going to be
maybe less.
surprised
Yeah, yeah.
on any move so far. Amir, so
I'm gonna be
for
here
this
a little bit
first,
more. Yeah, I'm gonna be here like
okay,
until 6:10,
thank you.
something like this. And tomorrow, guys, we're gonna get wild because Aggie is not here, so we can be.
I'm going to listen. Just
Ah,
kidding. No, I'm going to
ah.
pack a lot.
Aggie, take a vacation from the room. It's fine. You're every day here, no?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. You need a break from those guys, no? It's a good
No, I
guys, but
love them. I
no, you
really
need
like
you
it.
need Aggie, you need. Even if you
I
love
will
it, you need.
I will feel a miss like
Yeah,
every
yeah,
once in a while.
right. Yeah, yeah,
I should not
right.
be here.
Yeah, right. Gonna miss them,
Okay,
really.
guys. Thank you very much. So
Okay.
actually, well, I think next Friday maybe, but the coming Monday, like 25th of August, for sure I'm going to be here again. So I wish you a beautiful green week with Amir. You're going to be in great hands for sure. Amir, all yours. Wish you a
Okay.
beautiful trading
Thank you,
day,
Aggie.
and
Good luck, Aggie, with what you
thank
do. Good luck, Aggie.
thank
Hold
you.
her hands. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Andrew. Thank you, everyone. So, guys, see you in
Okay,
like a
guys.
little bit more than a week. Bye, everyone.
Ah, you're
Bye.
going from now to a week?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So
I told
basically,
you.
yeah, sometimes I need to take twice. Okay, so I need to be occupied here. Okay. Okay, I thought,
Yes, you need to
okay.
be here every day for them.
Oh, I didn't think about it. Okay. Guys, you have
Okay,
to
see you
behave, you have to behave nice, guys. Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
my goodness, Amir, come on.
No, no, I
Okay,
call,
guys.
I remember, but I didn't catch it. Maybe it's
Yeah, you
fine.
did not. Yeah, I
Pay
know. I
attention.
know
Yeah.
what you mean. Okay.
Never mind. Good luck, Aggie.
Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. And see you, everyone, in like a week, a little bit more. So, bye. Take care. Bye.
Okay. So we're gonna be more friends, huh, guys? So we're gonna do something, and let's see. I'm screening now. I want to see if I can find something. I'm still watching long and short, because sometimes things can happen. I see more candidate in the short, you know what, than in the long. BBAI is getting towards, the close of the day, which is this is why we started with 30%. Um, don't like those 30% so much now. Yeah. What do you have more, guys? You have something? I'm starting to even watch the some small. Oh, yeah, open. Suddenly, open is coming towards me. Every time that stock is popping up. Let's see if we have. Maybe I'm gonna narrow it. I'm gonna put the volumes a little bit more. And charts more than 8. BSH. Patent are looking good here, but right now to buy it at the high, it's too expensive, at least for me now. So look what BPI is now doing. It's like what we were talking about. We got a good support. If we finish this candle, you see in about 2 minutes, that could be a scalp here above. We have to finish that candle first. If we finish this candle here, definitely the risk reward is good for a scalp here. Right now 584 was kind of a 6 cent stop. Let's see, 15 probably it's not the right one now. 2 minutes. Yeah, bricks order. Yeah, definitely. You can see that I have that dot line here every chart. That's the close of yesterday. That's it. Now, one chart that I have connected is when you see the gray here, and that helps me for at least for the momentum opening is the levels from the. I'll give you the explanation. Let's put it here again. What's the name? BLSH. Help me to plan. So, for example, you see how everything is relating. Like we have this low here of the pre line out exactly from where the buyers came around here. You see. Now, what's happened here? Our trigger and the big volume came. You see when we actually broke the 80 here. We start to get in around here. So those levels, those lines have meaning. Meaning is what the pre-market the guys did. So for me it helps. Where did you get Sarko? Apple. Where was your entry? To Apple. Since yesterday. Why did you buy it yesterday? Yeah, I see what, but why? Why? What was yesterday in Apple that caused you? Let me see the daily. I don't know. I don't know. You're almost flat. Yeah, but the key is why did you got there? To tell you the truth now, if you are in that trade, uh, 231. I don't know. Definitely your stop supposed to be here, for sure. BLS stage, you see the 80 area again. We got to 85. So 84.90, they got another partial. Under the low of this candle, Bricks, what's your name? I remember you're the only one. Bricks order. This is my stop. Have any more questions, guys? I'm gonna be here like another 20 minutes, whatever. So if you have something, that's the time. Spaghetti is interesting here, you know? 1675 is the low. Yeah, around here. We have to the low, let's say around 75 cents. We have like 25 cents stop. Yeah, you know what? Spaghetti under 1675. Stop gonna be around the round number here. Okay? What's the low here? Exactly on the view up. So I want to break the V up. You know what? We can actually buy some position, half under 80, 75, full position, or you can wait for 75. Okay? So Rigetti. Stop in MU here, under 80. Okay? Like 78. You have short in Rigetti, guys. You have short, guys. Somebody got into Rigetti? Mom Spaghetti got into Rigetti. Um, Luis, yeah, you see, we broke the big high, and yesterday was hypes. That's the daily, okay? But today we're in the day, and when I see the day, um, definitely see what happened. That's the something we broke it, but definitely you could see the fail, and we can actually be aggressive here and started here. I was waiting here under the view up. Risk reward pretty okay, and that's the trade. Here I got 80. That's what I thought about 80, and stop is around here. That's pretty simple. Now, if it break now and start doing all kind of mess, let's put it in 2 minutes. If it's coming back even around here, I want to see again. You could see here that there's nothing there. Just a second. There's nothing there here. So it need to drop. I don't want to see the volume. Yeah, you see the big volume is when it actually dropped down. Um, so it broke like maybe 5 6 cents, which I don't like because there's. I was waiting for kind of a capitulation here. Just a second. Let's put Rigetti here. That's an IPO from today. One of them, Crapio. You have one IPO. This one, which looked like a piece of something, and this one, and there's another one. BUUU. Okay, Rigetti. Somebody took Rigetti, guys. What's going on? Nobody's here? Smith, you're quiet today. Didn't hear you here. So somebody took Rigetti? Guys. We're deep in the 7 cent, 8 cents. Did not? Okay. CGTX? I saw CGTX somewhere. Oh, okay. BLSH still okay. This time I'm gonna put it on the 15. It's clean. Definitely I want to see it above 85. Okay, Rigetti. 11 cents. Good. Now, again, we are launching. I don't. I'm going to lower my stop from here, from the round numbers. I'm going to put it around here. 91. Okay. Partial area. Maybe I want to see it breaking the 50, so around the 40. No, it's looking good. Looking good. Yeah. How does it look on the 15 minutes? Yeah, that's a good bar, you see. That's a good bar for rejection the close. Immediately, that was a good area here. Definitely under. We have 39 cents second to finish this 15. If it's breaking 59, pretty cool. When usually at Agi start with you at the morning, guys. I don't want to be late for school tomorrow. When usually you're starting the everything? What time? Guys, what time Agi starting with you every morning? Nah, not gonna be a full 30 minutes, that's for sure. um, yeah, 15 is enough. I'm not gonna do a review like she's doing. Everybody has his own attitude, so definitely you can go. Uh, yeah, I will try to see. Let's see. Right, see what the market is doing, whatever. I will come with the picks. I'm gonna see. We're gonna talk a few minutes, and then yeah, I think it's enough. I want you to be prepared to do the stuff by your own. Okay? Okay, Rigetti. So Rigetti did like 15 cents. Okay, so my game plan now is above 80 here, reducing, and my stop gonna be here 90. Okay. No question, guys. So I think we're gonna close for today now. No question. There's no reason to be here. Prepare question, guys. Some of the thing that we need to do is not just triggers. Get conversation, get all the learning stuff. Um, so you can do it by yourself. You can understand by yourself. Okay. So see you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Ciao.